Ah, my drone crashed. I'm gutted, but how about the customer service? What do they do for me? How was DJi Customer Services? How do they treat their customers? Well, I will share all that with you in the next few minutes. When my drone broke, I contacted DJi Customer Services by email, and it's quite amazing how quickly they responded to me. They responded immediately and said I should send them the serial number of this little thing here. The serial number it's on the battery, but I've taken the battery off. I'm sending this thing back to DJi without a battery to make sure that I get it as quickly as possible. DJi were professional. They were very, very friendly, very, very helpful. I could have called them on the phone, I could have had a live chat, but the email did the trick anyway. Firstly, a disclaimer, DJi did not sponsor me for this video. They didn't pay me for it. I am doing this to share my experience with DJi Customer Services with you guys. Was it insured? Yes, it was with DJi themselves, because this is a DJi Mini 3 Pro. I bought it a few months ago, and I was doing very well, learning how to use this thing for the first time. I taught myself everything. I've got some amazing shots. You will see these shots very, very soon. How very interesting for this drone to have just shuttered when I was busy making a video for you guys. When I contacted DJi for this little drone here, they responded immediately requesting the serial number of this particular drone. And I decided to send it without a battery. When you send it with a battery, sometimes you might have some headaches with custom cargo companies. DJi Customer Services, they were very, very helpful. They advised me on what to do, sorted out the shipping label with the UPS. I did not have to pay a penny. I did not have to pay a cent. What DJi is going to do with this drone, as soon as they receive this, they are going to send me a new one. Because according to DJi, you are entitled to 3 new drones when you are insured. So this is my first break of this drone. If I'm not lucky in the future and break a few, 1 more or 2 more, then I can still get a new one. And after that, they will have to replace it, which means it will take longer for me to get my drone back. How much was the insurance, if you may ask? I paid around $125. I think it was $125 US or $130 for the insurance for 2 years. On this particular model of a drone, the maximum insurance that you could get with DJi was 2 years. If it was 3 years, I would have taken it for 3 years. Because it gives you that peace of mind. And knowing how good DJi Customer Services is, I will advise you, if you buy these products from DJi, even if you're a good professional pilot on drones, just get yourself an insurance. It will save you a lot of hassle, a lot of headaches. But when you're traveling, it's a little bit tricky, because this drone I bought from USA, DJi in the US, which means wherever I am, whichever country I am in, I have to send this to family and friends in the US, who will then forward it to UPS in the US, because then everything is taken care of and is free, and UPS will get it to DJi. As soon as DJi receive the drone, they will then send me a new one. Let me show you the damages here. So when it fell, I don't know if you guys can see that. This inside here, it broke. So this arm, it's gone. It's broke. So I am using a rubber band just to try and keep everything here together. And you know what? I have crashed this drone a few times and without sustaining any damages. But this time the drone sustained a very serious damage. Let me see that arm. Yes. The gimbal, I think it seems okay, but I'm not sure. I got myself a headband because I couldn't find any rubber bands. So this is what I've got, this headband. I will just do that. That will keep it safe. And then it will be sent to DJi. Of course, I will use the gimbal cover, the gimbal protector, and send it like that. Because I think when you send with a gimbal protector, you get another gimbal protector. It seems fine, but who knows? But you can clearly see that this thing is broke. It's very light. On very strong winds, you are likely to hit a tree. As soon as I get a new drone, I will let you know how long the entire process took. My experience with DJi Customer Service have been absolutely brilliant. They were very helpful. They talked me through everything that I needed to know. Now, I'm just waiting to find a friend or anyone going to the US to take this little thing with them, and they can forward it to UPS